darkness above, worlds are born in fire and dust. The universe is a cosmic forge, shaping stars and planets from clouds of ancient stardust. Every night, beneath this endless sky, we are witnesses to creation itself, if only we dare to look up and wonder. Imagine planets swirling into existence, cosmic dust dancing in the glow of newborn stars, and Earth itself emerging from the shadows. Tonight, we embark on a journey to witness the birth of worlds, a journey into the heart of cosmic nurseries where new realities are forged in the fires of creation. Let's travel together to the constellation of Taurus, the Bull. Nestled within this familiar pattern of stars, about 450 light-years from our home planet, lies a star that doesn't look like much to the naked eye. Its name is HL Tauri, and it is, by cosmic standards, a mere infant. While our own sun is a mature 4.6 billion years old, HL Tauri is estimated to be less than 1 million years old. If the sun were a middle-aged person, HL Tauri would be a newborn baby, just a few days old. An infant star like HL Tauri is still swaddled in the materials from which it was born. It is surrounded by a vast rotating disk of gas and dust, known as a protoplanetary disk. Think of it as the leftover construction material from the star's formation. To see something as faint and distant as the disk around HL Tauri, you need a very special kind of eye on the sky. You can't just use a standard optical telescope because the dust in the disk is cold and doesn't shine in visible light. Instead, it glows faintly in millimeter and submillimeter wavelengths, a type of light that is invisible to our eyes. To capture this faint glow, astronomers turned to one of the most powerful and ambitious observatories ever built, the Atacama Large Millimeter submillimeter Array, or ALMA. Perched high in the arid Atacama Desert of northern Chile, at an altitude of 16,400 feet, ALMA is a collection of 66 massive radio antennas working together as a single virtual telescope. By combining the signals from all 66 of its antennas, spread out over distances of up to 10 miles, ALMA can achieve an incredible level of detail, or resolution. It can see the universe with a sharpness that is 10 times better than the Hubble Space Telescope. The image that ALMA produced of HL Tauri's protoplanetary disk was breathtaking in its beauty and simplicity. It showed a series of perfect concentric bright rings of dust, separated by dark, well-defined gaps. It looked like a cosmic version of the rings on a vinyl record, or the ripples spreading out from a pebble dropped in a pond. For astronomers who study planet formation, this image was the equivalent of a smoking gun. The rings and gaps were the telltale sign.
The clearest evidence to date that new worlds were being carved out of this swirling disk of gas and dust. The image revealed multiple gaps at different distances from the central star, suggesting that a whole family of planets is forming simultaneously. Some of these gaps were located at distances similar to the asteroid belt and the outer planets in our own solar system. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of the HL Tauri discovery was not just what it showed, but when it showed it. According to the planet formation theories that were dominant at the time, this is far too young for such well-defined planetary structures to exist. The conventional wisdom was that planet formation is a slow, gradual process, taking at least 10 million years. But the ALMA image of HL Tauri completely shattered that timeline. Instead of taking tens of millions of years, it appears that planets can spring into existence in less than 1 million years. This is a cosmic blink of an eye. It's as if we expected to see a construction site with just the foundation laid, but instead, we found a nearly completed building with walls and distinct rooms already in place. The release of the HL Tauri image sent shockwaves through the astronomical community. Catherine Walsh, an astrochemist at the University of Leeds who studies the chemistry of planet-forming disks, described the ALMA images as remarkable, highlighting their unprecedented clarity. She stated that they provide the clearest evidence to date that planets form in disks around young stars. The director of ALMA at the time of the discovery expressed his own astonishment, noting that these results were achieved by pushing the observatory to its full potential. He emphasized that the level of detail was so great that it would revolutionize theories of planet formation. One of the most profound implications of the HL Tauri discovery is what it tells us about our own home. When we look at the rings and gaps around this infant star, we are likely seeing a process that is very similar to the one that unfolded around our own sun 4.6 billion years ago. This observation provides a direct link to our own origins, offering a glimpse into the conditions that eventually led to the formation of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, as well as the gas giants in the outer solar system. The discovery that planets can
to form in under 1 million years provides a clear solution. The cores of Jupiter and Saturn must have formed very quickly, allowing them to grab their massive gas envelopes before the disk dissipated. The findings from HL Tauri have triggered a paradigm shift in planetary science, forcing a wholesale reevaluation of long-standing models and opening up entirely new avenues of research. Theoretical astronomers must now create models that can produce massive planets in less than 1 million years. This paradigm shift extends to the search for exoplanets. The HL Tauri discovery tells us that we should be looking at the youngest stars, even those still embedded in their stellar nurseries, for signs of planets. This has opened up a whole new population of targets for planet-hunting telescopes. If planet formation is rapid and efficient, it means the universe could be teeming with worlds that are just beginning their cosmic journeys. The universe is not a slow and patient builder, but a dynamic and swift creator of worlds. The discovery has ignited a firestorm of new research. Astronomers are now using ALMA and other powerful telescopes to survey hundreds of other young stars, searching for similar rings and gaps. So the next time you look up at the star-filled night sky, remember the story of HL Tauri. Remember that out there, in the vast, dark expanse, new suns are igniting and new Earths are being born at this very moment. We are living in a time when we can see it happen. The universe is not a static, ancient museum. It is a dynamic, creative, and vibrant nursery, constantly building new worlds and new possibilities. We have only just begun to pull back the curtain on these incredible cosmic events, and the view is already more spectacular than we could have ever imagined. The journey is far from over, and the cosmos still holds countless wonders, waiting for us to look up and see.